Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you are a beginner and you want to know more about the Adobe Express, then this video is for you. So right now I'm on the Adobe Express dashboard that pretty much look like Canva. So if you know Canva, how to operate or use Canva, then it will be pretty much easy for you to allocate all of or you can actually get familiar with all of these features and create any type of design you want. Now, Adobe Express, here you can find at the top side, you can find more of the Adobe software like Photoshop, Lightroom, Acrobat, Firefly, also from here. And here, let me show you if I create a project from the scratch. But before that, we are going to talk about this dashboard. Here is the upload button that will help you to upload any document or any photo, any video that you want to edit. Now here is the For You feature, which will show you some template for you that is on For You. And also here is the social media and ads. It will show you like this. Here is some template that you can use like for social media and ads. That here is TikTok video, for Instagram story. If you are creating any Instagram portrait post, so you can get this canvas or this ratio of template. Also this is for video. Here you can find some trim video or clip maker. You can make a clip or you can resize the video. This is all the tools that can help you to make your video more interesting. Also you can merge a video from this, you can crop a video, you can convert to GIF and also animate character from here. More of them, you can simply click on view all and you can find more of them from here. And also here is some ratio that is popular like Instagram Reels. You can get, if you are creating any YouTube video, then you can go with this template that can give you a perfect ratio. Also here is some feature video template that you can use, that free video, and some of are actually premium, so you have to purchase the premium plan from here. Now here is the photos. You can see this is for photos, all the thing the same. You can find some tools that can help you to edit your photo and some ratio, the canvas that you can take and you can find what you want to create. Like you want to create a logo, you can find this, and also some stock images that you can use to create your image more attractive and you can use as element. This is for document edit and web page. If you want to create a web page, this will also help you. This Adobe Express also help you in this way proficiently. This is for marketing. If you are creating any marketing like poster, flyer, invitation card, then it will help you to create that. Also, this is the generative AI that is nowadays pretty much on the top, on the line here, on the notch actually you can say. So Adobe Express is everyone's eyes on this AI because it can create you some interesting stock images and videos that can be helpful for creating a long video on YouTube, a short video on YouTube shorts and Instagram Reels, TikTok videos. Any of them you can create with this AI. That is pretty cool. So you have to just add a prompt here and you have to get you can get the new prompt here, and after adding a perfect prompt you can easily get it. Also there is some tools like generate image. You can generate an image, you can remove an object from an image or video, then insert object, generate template. Also you can generate text effect that you need in specific elements. Now first thing, here left side you can find your step where you can find all of your designs. Here is a brand and it's a template where you can find different types of templates. Here is the schedule. If you want to schedule any of your design that you want to do at that exact time, so you can schedule that work. Here is the learn, that is there is a great tips and advice how you can use Adobe Express proficiently. Here is some add-ons that you can add some extra software to make this experience more advanced. Like there you can find more of add-ons that can help you to get more advanced feature on Adobe Express. Now if you simply click on upload, now you can select an image that you want to create. So I'm going to add an image. So for example this watch image here. Now here you can find three options: add original image, add a new design, add to a new design. So you can browse the recommended templates. So you can edit this. If I go with this edit original image, it will just take that template from here, that ratio. Now from here you can find some edit option that you can remove the background. You can simply click on it and it will try to remove your background, and you can see this is pretty cool that how it exactly removed the exact background and it has sketched the exact element in a second. So here is the alignment line that can help you to align this object in its perfect place. Also, you can add erase, that you can erase a specific section if you want. So from here you can add it. Now here's the effect section where you can make some effect like golden hours here. Also lots of them from here. Now I'm going to add this, and here is the shadow where you can add some shadow like classic shadow, smooth shadow, and lift just like this. And also you can add some custom shadow if you want, like blur. I'm going to remove the blur like this. Angle should be on this side here. Distance, I'm going to decrease the distance and it look like live here. Now you can do is you can find more of them from here, like search in the search section. You can find more of photos, so you can find some free background images that you can add. Like I'm going to search for Aurora, and it's look like this. Here you can find lots of image that you are searching. Most are free and some of them are actually premium, so you have to purchase the premium version to get access of all images. Now I'm going to use image here. For example, I'm going to add this image here. So if I just had it, so simply click on this three dot button and you can find more option here, that copy, paste, duplicate, and here's the source info. You can add it. Now this is the crop button and this delete button. You can delete this image. Also you can replace it with any other photos, videos, design, asset, background, and anything. So just like this. Now I'm going to place it here. You can find the timeline. I'm going to place it after this image, after this watch here. Now you can actually adjust the size just like this. Okay. Now you can also add some more like tones here. You can add some tones like darken or like this here, and also some effects, filters here, portrait, or you can select the intensity here. Now here is some animation that you can do. There is animation like this. If you want to able like this, it will like show you like this, and also you can add more animation that will look like this. So if I add it here, and it will actually pretty cool. Here you can see. So if you want to delete any of the effect, then you can simply click on the timeline and simply click on none. And from here, I'm going to simply click on it and simply click on this three dot button here, and you can remove this duration. Also you can split it. Now from here, I'm going to add this here. Now if you want to undo, here you can see the effect is now removed. So you can also add some videos or audios. Now from here you can find medias, and here is some templates that you can use. Here is different types of layout. Now you can add some text here, and here is different types of text template like headlines, data period. This is categories actually, and button, signal, labels, and seasonal, just like this. Logos, bios here. So I'm going to take one from here. So you can find different types of text layout or text font, you can say. So I'm going to add a font from here, that luxurious. So I'm going to delete this section here, and you can see I have just added it. Now you can change the size of that font here. And here is where you can edit the text. You can change the font style here. You can find different types of font style, and also some like this. And also you can increase the size of your text here, just like this. This plus button will help you to increase the size, and minus button will help you to decrease the size. Now I'm going to align it at the perfect place. Now if you want to change the color, here is the change color button here. Now you can change color, so you can go to custom and you can change the color that you want. Also you can use this pick color feature, that you can pick a color according to the any of color that you want. Also you can add like this. So I'm going to add like this here. Also you can do is you can add an outline if you want. So I'm going to add color of this color here, and I'm going to add outline, for example, or white or any of colors. So for example this one. So you can add a position here. Also the opacity, you can decrease the opacity like this. So outline is looking not so good here, so like this. Yeah, so that's how you can edit a photo, and also you can add some elements if you want. So for example, I want to add a circle, so you can search for circle, and you can find different types of circles. Here is some icon that you can add. So you can just drag and drop it on the main canvas, and you can find it has added here. So I'm going to add it here, and just like this. Now here you can find the color, so you can set the color here. Also you can find the icon color here. So I'm going to select the color just like this. So that's how you can just make it. Also you can find more of animation and graphics, background here, shapes, icons, more of them from here that you want to use. So just like this. So that's how you can just do it. And also you can add some margins, your background colors, and here is the charts and grids if you want to create any spreadsheet. Here is the generative AI that will help you generate some exciting images according to the prompt that you can give to the AI. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful, and if you want to download this image, simply click on download button here, and here is the format. Here you can select the format here like JPG. I'm going with the JPG. So you can start the free trial from here. So there is the premium features is added, that's why it's showing to get the premium feature. So you can find the download button here, simply click on download and it will be downloaded to your system. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.